Instruction: Mudra is performed by using both the palm. It should be learned from a guru or experienced teacher to get maximum benefit.
Important steps to be followed while performing Hasta Mudra. Body should be kept relaxed. One can sit in any asana like Vajrasana, Padmasana, Sukhasana, convenient to oneself. It should be performed in a comfortable place where mind remains quiet. Any mudra can be performed for 10 minutes to 45 minutes. Duration should be increased gradually. It can be performed thrice a day in the morning, noon, and evening. Fingers should not be kept very tight or pressed much. It must be performed as per one's capacity. Any part of body should not touch the ground at the time of performing mudra. It can be performed in any position. Asana should be made from non-conductive material like wood, wool, silk to avoid earthing of the energy. It is advisable not to wearing ring, wristwatch, bangle, etc. These objects can be obstacles to perform mudra smoothly. It should be performed by both the hands, as organs from right and left both sides get benefited. It also affects the brain in totality. Finger and thumb should touch each other with ease. The other finger must be kept straight and together by pressing the thumb slightly. If one is not able to perform a particular mudra, it indicates disease related to that particular mudra. In a painful disease, one has to continue medication along with mudra. Benefits: various physical and mental diseases are cured. 3 humors means Vata, Pitta and Kapha remain balanced, so one remains healthy. Spiritual progress and peace of mind attained. Body remains fit, firm, glowing and balanced. Neurological diseases like hysteria, madness, irritability, wavering mind, nervousness, uncertainty, delirium, restlessness, depression, anxiety are cured. Stress, anger, excitement, fear, laziness are cured. Various lines and mountains of palm, as described in palmistry, are developed properly. Acupressure points on palm properly pressed. Endocrine glands gets well activated. Hormones are released in adequate measure, keeping one healthy. Various body system of digestion, blood circulation, nerve system and productivity work in a good manner. Various organs of the body like heart, lungs, kidney, liver function properly. Main note: while performing Hasta Mudra, those fingers which are not used to form mudra must be kept straight. When the tip of the finger is touched to the tip of the thumb, it increases the relative element of the finger. If the tip of the finger is touched at the root of the thumb and pressed lightly by the thumb, the relative element of the finger decreases. I hope this video of Hasta Mudra therapy helped the sadhaks to cure physical and psychological disease and progress spiritually as well. Astu. Hari Om Tat Sat. हमारा यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो उसको लाइक करके अपने ग्रुप में शेयर कर लीजिए और आप सबको विनंती, हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।